Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to minimize display size on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, yeah guys, as you can see in my phone, the display is biggest from the default, yeah guys. If you wanna minimize it or you wanna make it as a default, you just have to go to the settings, and in the settings page, go to this display options. Now you just have to scroll it down again until you'll find display size and text. Tap on it. At the bottom here, you will see the display size, and at the top, this is the preview, yeah guys. If you want to minimize it, you just have to shifting this button to the left like this. I'm gonna use the second one. This is the default, yeah guys, for the size. And if you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will be saved automatically. So yeah, as you can see, the display size here is already changed and back to the default size. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.